Hello friends, welcome to my channel. In today's video I'll share this cute small crochet earring. This is very easy and you can make it very quick. So if you like my video, then please do like, share and please do subscribe my channel. So let's get started. For this project we need fabric glue, this ear post. Here I have taken this golden color, any color you can take. And for this one I need that 4 color thread. This one I have used anchor pearl cotton thread and crochet hook size 0.60 mm I have used, and this sky blue colored beads and of course scissor. So at first I have taken that pink color thread, and with this I am making this small round. So at first I am making that magic ring, then make 1 chain, then you make total 8 single crochet. 8 single crochet you make. Sorry, again I am making. So 8 single crochet you just make total. So actually this earring is very easy. You have make the small round, the basic round. So for this first round I have made that single crochet, and on the second round I have used that double crochet. So we'll come after finishing this first round, means that 8 single crochet. So here you can see that 8 single crochet done. Now I'm making the slip stitch on the first chain, then we'll make 3 chain. So here I'm making 3 chain, 1 2 3. Okay, now we'll make double crochet on each stitch. So here I'm making 1 double crochet, then on the next stitch you just make 2 double crochet, like that. Each and every stitch you just make 2 double crochet. Guys, if you like my video, then please do like, share and please do subscribe my channel. It will motivate me to make more such videos. So here you can see all the double crochet is done. Now I'm making the slip stitch on the second chain. Okay, now this is the completed of this small circle. So here I'll cut the thread. So like that you just make a total 4 this round, or you can say this circle. Okay, so this is the pink color I have shown. You just make with this all 4 colors. Okay, so here I am hiding this thread like that. Okay, and I'll cut the extra thread. So here you can see that I have taken the starch solution. This is the Revive fabric starch with water. Both are 1:1 ratio I have used. Okay, you just make a thick paste, not thick, you can medium paste. The solution should be medium. Okay, now you just apply on the back side. It will harden the thread. So another one I am making, this one I used is as a base. So for this one, at first you just make the magic circle or magic ring. Now you make 3 chain, 1 chain, second chain and third chain. Okay, now make total 8 double crochet. Now you just make the slip stitch on the third chain. Okay, then again we'll make the second round like the same way. At first 3 chain, then 2 double crochet in each stitch. So this one you just need for 1 earring 2. Okay, so we'll come after making this. Here you can see the double crochet done. Now I am making the slip stitch on the third chain. Then I'll cut the extra thread. So here you can see that 4 color I have made already, and this is the base. So we'll stick all those color with the glue. So you just see how I am doing this. So here you can see that back side I am just applying the ear post with the glue. Okay, and this fabric glue I have used, and then another extra round, that pink color round I have made, that one I'll stick with the glue. This one I'll stick with the glue. So here you can see this earring has completed. Let it dry, that glue. Okay, just now I just applied, so you just let it dry. Okay, so this is completed. So you just tell me how it is look like. So thank you.